Hey everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about how to take screenshot using shortcut command or Windows 11 snipping tool. So let's start the video. You can simply search for snipping tool from start menu. But here we are going to use keyboard shortcut command. That is Windows plus Shift plus S. Press this combo on your keyboard. The tool will appear on the top. Let's check the first option. It says rectangular snip. This option lets you choose screenshot in rectangular shape. When you snip your desired area, the screenshot will appear in right bottom corner. You can click it to edit. Let's try it on a program window. This is how it works. Let's check next options. It says freeform snipping. As name suggests, you can freely snip your desired screenshot. The next option is Windows Snip. This feature will let you snip specific window. Let's check it on desktop. Desktop itself is a window. Let's open multiple windows and try again. As you can see, you can snip your desired window with ease. It will snip exact window you just click on. Last option we have is full screen snip. As the name tells, it will snip the full window including everything visible on your monitor. Let's try again, while multiple windows opened. See, full desktop is snipped. So let's check the markup tool or editing tool that comes with snipping tool. When you snip something, just click it and the editing tool will open. The first option is pen tool. It will let you draw something free-handedly. You can choose color and thickness of your pen. The next option is highlight. You can highlight something like text. Next option is erase. You can simply click and drag on your drawing or highlight. The erase tool will automatically remove the whole line or highlight you had drawn. Or you can select erase all to remove all drawing highlights at once. The next option is very useful. You can put scale or protractor on your snip to draw you lines, highlights and colors perfectly. Let's play with it a little. So the next one is touch drawing, which I cannot show. After that we have image resizer or canvas edit to resize you snip. Hit OK or cancel when you are done. You can also change zoom level while resizing. Last but not least, there are some minor options like change snipping time, zoom level, copy option in which you can copy the image directly from snipping tool and paste it anywhere you want, like I am pasting in Paint. And last one is share option. Explore the tool. I am sure you will enjoy it as it is very useful. So that's pretty much it for this video. We will see you in next one.